In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid if your Amazon package ever gets delayed. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by a package that didn't arrive on time, this guide is for you. Let's walk through it step by step so you know exactly what to do when you find yourself in this situation. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open a web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, make your way to the top right corner of the page. You will see the sign in option. Click on that to log into your account. It's important to be signed in as Amazon needs to verify who you are in order to address your concerns properly. After clicking sign in, you'll need to enter your account details. Start by typing in your email address and then hit continue. This will take you to the password entry page where you'll enter your password and click that sign in button. Now you're in. With access to your account, direct your attention to the home page. Let's move to the account and lists menu. It's at the top right again, and it's your gateway to all kinds of account related information and options. Once you've clicked on account and lists, a drop down menu will appear. From there, navigate to the customer service button and give it a click. Customer service is your best friend when resolving issues with delayed packages, and we're going to use this tool to its fullest. In the customer service section, you'll want to search for the something else option. Amazon provides multiple pathways for handling various issues, but to zero in on our specific need today, click on something else. Then look for an option labeled I need help with something else and give that a click. At this point, Amazon will prompt you to connect with an associate. This is your chance to get human assistance with your delayed package. Click on the option to connect to an associate. This interaction will happen via chat, which makes it convenient as you can keep a record of what is being discussed. So now you're connected and chatting with an Amazon associate. Clearly explain the situation, mention the expected delivery date and how your package did not arrive as planned. Transparency is key in these conversations, so be as detailed as possible to convey exactly what you need. Finally, after you've outlined your problem, it's time to ask for a refund. Be sure to politely request this from the agent. Amazon typically prioritizes customer satisfaction and may offer a refund for the inconvenience your delayed package has caused. That's it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to resolving the issue and getting compensated for your troubles. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you should you ever find yourself waiting longer than expected for your Amazon delivery. Until next time, happy shopping.